Exporting raw data. In Brainwave 4, we can export raw data files in the event that we want to export only a certain selection of channels and/or export a shortened time frame. We're going to open a BRW file. In this experiment, we only wish to export the data from these selected channels, and so we have made a channel group. For more information on creating channel groups, please see our video tutorial. To export the raw data, go to File, Export, and Raw Data. Here we can change the format for our exported raw data. Click the checkbox to export a subset of channels. Here we can select our channel group. Additionally, if we wish to add other channels, we can use the selection tools on the top right and select more channels. Here we have the option to select the version for our exported raw data. Click on the right here to export a zipped file. Under Destination, you can choose the folder where you want your raw data to be exported, and underneath you can name your file. Additionally, if you wish to export a subset of time intervals, click this option and define your time intervals. Here we can minimize or increase our interval. Once you have manually defined your interval,
click Add on the right. Now we see our interval defined in the time intervals list. If we wish to remove our interval, we can select it by clicking on it and clicking Remove.
Additionally, we can define multiple time intervals, selecting the beginning and end positions. Once we are ready, we can click Export. To open our exported data, click on File and Open. Here we can see that only our selected channels have been exported, as well as our given time frame.